The absolute freedom of flying like a bird is a long-held dream of mankind. Flying FPV drones is a thrilling experience and brings you closer to this than anything else.
Today's analog video signal only offers low video quality, resulting in an overall poor FPV experience.
Although deemed an impossible task, DJI has developed a new digital FPV transmission system with low latency. The system consists of 4 highly integrated components. The lightweight and compact DJI FPV Air unit is easy to install and features an internal HD video recorder. The robust FPV HD camera features a 2.1mm lens. The FPV goggles are comfortable to wear and display the video feed in HD resolution in super smooth 120 frames per second. An integrated video recorder lets you capture what the pilot sees on the ground. The 8-channel remote controller is configurable via the FPV goggles. It also integrates the DJI HDL remote control protocol. Finally, FPV pilots can enjoy a better flying experience that combines HD image quality with low latency. The DJI digital FPV system supports 8 channels, which allows up to 8 pilots to race simultaneously. The system is incredibly durable and delivers an uninterrupted video feed even when clipping objects. An easy-to-use audience mode lets spectators join the action.
DJI really put this together as a full package thing, so you don't need to waste time trying to select the correct part, do tons of research. It's all integrated, it's all ready to go. You're good.
The DJI digital FPV system allows me to fly faster around the track with more confidence. I can finally see the other drones clearly on the track.
No matter if you are a beginner or expert, engage in an immersive HD FPV flying experience with the DJI digital FPV system.
Where I was born, I was raised by the new dawn, and now I sit inside the storm. Gotta work for it, every day work for it. I stand alone, can't get much higher. It's in my bones, the true survivor. I stand alone, I keep on rising up to the throne. I won't stop fighting, 'cause I stand alone. Somebody turned off all the lights and try to steal like a parasite, but they can't take away the fight. 'Cause I've been wild since I've been a kid, live my life hanging up the grid. No, I ain't never ever gonna quit. Gotta work for it, every day work for it. Gotta work for it, every day work for it. I stand alone, can't get much higher. It's in my bones, the true survivor. I stand alone, I keep on rising up to the throne. I won't stop fighting, 'cause I stand alone.
Anafi is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. An integrated camera uses a latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21 megapixel photos. HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filming a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. Anafi is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens featuring a 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions.
We integrated an up to 2 times lossless digital zoom and an up to 3 times standard digital zoom. The zoom led us to create a brand new smart drone called Dolly Zoom, better known as the famous vertigo effect.
Meet AirPix, the world's smallest and easiest aerial camera ever made. Capture HD photos and videos never before possible. Then share them like magic right from the app. It's like having a personal photographer in your pocket. Take it everywhere and put away the selfie sticks forever. AirPix works with just one touch. It will fly, frame, snap, and return, all by itself. So cool and so easy. If you want more control, just use the in-app joystick. You can also turn on 360 mode to automatically take pictures all around. And it will follow your face for the perfect picture. You can even control it with gestures. In the app, customize your pics and then post them instantly to your favorite social stream. You can even live stream real-time adventures from the air. Wowing your friends and followers has never been this easy, and it's packed with features like Italian design, 12 megapixel photos, HD video, 60-foot range, 6+ minutes of flight time, and smooth air flight stabilization. Welcome to the future of personal photography. Choose the better way to selfie with AirPix, the world's smallest, easiest, and coolest aerial camera ever made. AirPix by Air Selfie.